Figured I'll try my new head cam today. So today I'm going to be doing some Gumout regain in the TL. So first things first, I am going to start the car up. Let me just leave that there for right now. Actually, no, first thing what I will do is measure out how much I'm going to use. So they say to do 8 ounces through the engine, 8 ounces into the fuel tank or in the oil, depending on which area you're mostly trying to get cleaned up. So in this case, I'm trying to do the fuel, clean the fuel injectors out. So I just had a head swap on the car. So let me at least, make sure all that stuff is clean. And just give you guys another look at that engine, how pretty it is. So I did take the intake manifold off to actually clean it. It didn't really work out too well. As you can see, all the paint peeled off of it. So I'm actually gonna have to take it off and get all this peeled off and actually paint it over again. Or I may even just leave it just regular, the silver or whatever it was to begin with, and just leave it like that because it's gonna get cleaned again anyway. So back to the measurements. So you want to measure out 8 ounces. I'm not sure if you can really see that. So it's gonna be 8 ounces. It's a 16-ounce bottle. So you want to measure out 8 ounces of it. So I'm going to, let's do it right here, I guess. Oh, and this is the hose I'm going to be using to, you'll see. Let's aim that down a little bit better. There we go. So open this up. So like I said, we're going to pour out 8 ounces of this. So, all right. And there we go, 8 ounces. Okay, so the remaining 8 ounces I'm actually gonna leave in the bottle for now. I'm gonna save that for when I have to refuel. Right now I'm about a quarter of a tank, so I'm gonna wait until I actually go and get gas to put this in. So I'm gonna leave that right here on the shelf for right now. And let's get back to the car. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the 8 ounces I poured out and take this little hose right here. And let's get started. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is get in the car, start it up. All right, now it's running. Now here's what you're gonna notice. As soon as I take off, I'm gonna take off. So we're gonna take a pair of pliers. Could be needle nose or just something quick and easy like this, or even a pair of vice grips. And we're gonna take off this hose right here on top of the throttle body. And when I take it off, watch what happens. All right, so the idle's going up now, just noticing that it's losing air. So, where's that? Now I'm gonna attach this little hose onto it. And now, we're gonna start filtering in the 8 ounces through the throttle body. Let's move this. And filter in just ever so slightly, very slowly, just like this. You don't want to do this fast because you don't want the engine to shut off while you're doing this. So just little by little, little by little, you're just gonna just let it swallow it up. See? Oh, you see exactly what I didn't want to happen just happened. All right, restart it back up. All right, it's revving up. It's revving up. So let's continue. Like I said, you gotta be very, very, very careful with this, because it will shut off because it's thinking that it's taking in water. So take your time with it. Like I said, try the longer hose. It made it a lot easier. We're almost to the bottom now. All right, and that's it. We're done. So now we're going to turn the car off. And I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes. Let the Gumout marinate inside there for about 10 minutes or so, and then we're gonna turn it back on and enjoy the smoke show. All right, so before you turn it back on, of course, reconnect this hose right here. Get your, where did I put it at? Get your pair of pliers or vice grips or whatever you use to loosen this little clamp right here. Put it back on, make sure it's nice and tight. And then close the hood. And let's crank it up. man, there's the smoke show. There's the Gumout Regain doing its thing. It's probably gonna do that for about 20 minutes or so. I mean, I can't really rev it as high as I want to because my rev limiter is set to 4,000. So, but yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys. And then of course I'll take the other 8 ounces, like I said, and pour that in the tank when I actually go fill up. But that's how you do a, you know, that's one of the methods you can do a seafoaming or a Gumout, which just actually works a lot more effectively. So yeah, see, it's still coming out. I don't know why, but the exhaust tips on this side always get dirtier than that side. I don't know why. It's weird. So once all the smoke is clear, you're good to go. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, share with your friends and family, give me a like, and subscribe. I just did a quick cleanup with the headlights. I mean, it's not crazy great because I don't really have a buffer to use right now. But hope you guys enjoyed. You guys have a great day.
Cause I've been really trying to make it out just another day. And I'm always on my grind, just another way. My nigga, he be talking about the music if it's gonna pay. I just tell him get it up in every way. My nigga, man, we gotta stay grind.